Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React.js video tutorial we will see what is a useState hook. So guys, if you don't know about what is the hooks, then you must have to watch our previous video. Link is given in the description box. On the hook, I will just going to make around the 10 videos. This is my second video, so you can just watch the all videos, and the playlist link is also given in the description box. And after watching these 10 videos, you will be gonna pro in the React hooks, and you can do everything with the React hooks in the your project. All right, so now let's see. The first question is here: what is the use state hook? All right, so as you know, in the functional component we cannot use the state directly. All right, to use the state in the functional component we have to use a use state hook. All right, let's see now how we can apply it. So first of all, I am just going to remove this completely, and I am just going to make it from the very scratch. So I am just going to write here RCS, and you can see that this is my very basic function component. So now I am just going to make here h2 tag, and let's write here use state hook, and you can see here the output. All right, so to use the use state, first of all we have to import this from the React. So let's write here use state. Now just after just importing it, let's take a variable or const or a let and destructure this state. Right, so for destructuring it has the two parameters. So first is you can say that your state, so let's say count, and the second one is the set state. Right, so it can be like set count. All right, you can just take the any name of these two parameters, whatever you want. So like I'm just going to take a data here, so just you can take like set data or update data, whatever you want. It's not necessary that you must have to put here set data only. So after doing this, where you can put here, you can put your default value. Let's say my default value is 0 in the state, and for using it, let's just use it in the JSX, and here you can see that you are getting the 0 value. If I am just going to put my initial value 100, then you will get this value like 100. All right, so now let's see, just make it 0 at that for now. Let's see that how we can update it. For update, let's take a button and just write here update data, and let's make a on click event, and on the on click event let's use the set data function to update the state. Now let's put anything that you just want to update. Let's say I just want to make the 10 to the state value. Let's update the state with the value 10. Right, and now whenever I'm just going to click, the state will be changed with the 10 like this. All right, so when you just click it again, then there is nothing to change because this value is already 10. So let's say you just want to make a counter, then how you can make it? So you can just do it like data plus 1. It means on the every click the state will be increased by value 1 like this. All right, so this is all about the use state. So one more thing that you can see, is it also render the component when the use state is just updated? Yes. So when you just make it one here and like this, when you just update the state with the hooks, then it will render the complete component again like this. Right, so this is all about the use state. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.